What makes drones so unique? Why is it that we are so fascinated with drone imagery? In the oversaturated world of digital image, the new angle we see the world from gives creators an artistic edge, unique view over things we've already seen on the ground, but this time shown from a bird's eye view. With the help of drones, as soon as you change the perspective slightly, everything looks different. Everything looks beautiful and majestic. With the help of drones, we're rediscovering everything.